Brand new Skinzit, never been used before by myself. I'm going to give this thing an attempt, and this is my very first time. And if Rachel Ray can do it, so can I. Here we go. I'll be darned. Try another one. Yeah, I didn't get all the bones. Here's another new feature on these newer ones is wherever it's, oh, there it is. It's got a forward and reverse on it. Perfect. One more time. Well, maybe two more times. Whoops, whoops. Make sure it's in forward. And they say grab and pull. Well, that was the skin, not the ribs. Let's go back and see if we can get that little bit. That we did. I do have another fillet. I will take the Y bones out afterwards. I took a little bit of tail. That was my fault, I'm sure. Now the Y bones I'll take out with a knife later, just for the sake of demonstration. Let's see if we can get this skin off. Missed it that time. Try again. Nope. One more time. Can I help it? Well, looks like I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board and see what I'm doing wrong here. There we go. Had to give it just a little bit of a hand. Look at that. I'm sure once you get used to it, let's try this one. Flip her down, and I'm going to make sure that skin comes up. Forward. Nope, missed it. I think there's a slight learning curve on this. Another nice fillet. I've got to get under it. Maybe I'm squeezing too hard. Perfect. Reverse. Another nice fillet. Let's try this one. I won't squeeze until it picks it up. I'll just hold it slightly. Wow, try and remember that. Come on, grab it. There we go. I'm sure I'll figure this out sooner rather than later. But real nice fillets. Now I'll just take the Y bone out with my knife and be done. That was quick without mess.